Overcharging and legal malpractice. Is overcharging legal malpractice? Good afternoon. My name is Neil Burns, and along with my partner, Roshan Jain, we represent victims of legal malpractice here in Massachusetts. We've been practicing here. I've been in this building since 1987 and practicing law here in Massachusetts since 1985. So this is another one of those hard to answer questions, but there's some clear things to look for. So overcharging is a malpractice. Yeah, if you can prove overcharging, that's malpractice. But then what are the damages? But let's look at what you should do if you think you're being overcharged. Let's be practical. You don't get a bill for 6 months and finally get a bill that goes through dozens and dozens of hours of work. Some of it you never even understood what it was for. Why is the partner and the associate sending emails back and forth and charging you? So that's really a communication issue. You got to sit down with the lawyer and say, what's going on here? I didn't get a bill for 6 months. Now I find out that you and the associate, the partner and the associate, are sending all sorts of emails, and they're charging tens of thousands of dollars for these internal communications. You hired a lawyer to do a job. May or may not be fair. Attorneys should be billing monthly or in a timely manner. If they're not doing any work for a few months for a certain reason, they don't have to send you a bill. Once they send you a bill, it should be fair. You should understand it. You should say, yeah, I did talk to the attorney that day, and it was approximately that amount of time. And yeah, he did send me a complaint, a draft of a complaint, and yeah, she did file this pleading, and so it looks sort of okay. But if it doesn't look right, it looks like, I gave the attorney a draft complaint from a prior attorney. They changed 3 paragraphs and they billed me for 10 hours. Well, that just doesn't look right. Is it malpractice? Maybe. But is it overbilling? It sounds like it. If you think you're a victim of overbilling, call your attorney and communicate with him or her first. Communicate with someone else in the firm. Try to figure out if you can work something out, because you don't want to get involved in a lawsuit against your attorney. Attorneys are good at litigating, and they may or may not, resolve it quickly. You may spend a lot of money trying to get a little bit. So try to work it out initially, but before that, stay on top of your case. Check in monthly. If you file a complaint, the answer is due in 20 days. So call a month later saying, is there an answer? What does the answer look like? Because we have a case like this, the answer could include a counterclaim. Now you're being sued. Now your attorney is going to represent you, but you have to know what that case is about. Communicate with your lawyer. And if you can't communicate, or if you think you're a victim of legal malpractice, call Burns and Jain. It's a free initial consultation. We're aggressive, we're effective, we want to help you, care about you. Call 617-227-7423. Thank you.